happy me. Always looking forward. Na may mga batchmates nga gikag US, na may kuan nga gikag all over the world. So, importante nga, gwapo experience.
Program featuring 2 major projects and the Magic's and managed by Xavier University Learning to give at least 10% discount or more to alumni patrons by simply presenting their alumni ID as a discount card. And the Magic's inspired by the conversion story of St. Ignatius of Loyola, whose value of magics grew additional. Mechanics include on-site giving, where actual coins saved will be turned over.
Hello everyone, I am Jen from batch 2003. We really enjoyed our Back to Basic experience. We had fun tonight. We enjoyed all the songs from the different eras, and we also enjoyed seeing our batchmates tonight. Thank you!
Let the Xavier University Alumni Magic's discount and Magic's Ignitan projects go and let it begin with you and me.
Sir, nami challenge ni mo, sir. Kailangan
for the second runner-up, 1994's Batch 2004.
Hello everyone, this is a class of 2004. So the alumni homecoming is the most awaited event every year for the Xavier University community.
And also we are going to invite everyone for our Neon Miles XUHS 2004 Wave Run this coming January 4, 2026 at the Limcan Kai Center, South Concourse. So this is the perfect New Year run, your first ride of 2026.
I this year.
65 years old na mi. Among bat 77. So, dugay na may gani. Pero, kining a year, mayo ang organization. Mayo ang organization. Mayo ang food. 1977. So,
Mga matanon pa.
pero, happy me. Always looking forward. Nami mga batchmates nga gikag US, nami kuan nga gikag all over the world. So, importante nga gwapo ba? Gwapo experience.
Karon ang among championship may pinaka first na mga championship for the past 7 seasons. I still remember all the sacrifices namo, all blood, sweat ug tears, countless nga hapit madog. Very sweet kay nga victory amidst all nga mga hindrances, amidst all the noise around. Nakuha lagi na mo! Wow!
Through the night, we're also passing the hat for the